Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here on this beautiful sunshiny spring day. I have got a home goods crafts box that I want to show you. It's uninspected returns, so let's get into it and see what's in here. All right, I'm going to give you the specs on this box. It is a Home Goods Crafts Duck River is one of the things in here. Brit and Company and Pokemon. So I paid $65 for the box, approximately $30 in shipping, so $95. There's 50 items in this box. They are considered uninspected returns, which means I can find anything from opened boxes to brand new boxes to things that are definitely used. So let's see what kind of condition we got. We got 50 items in here, like I said, and uninspected returns. So this is from bulk.com. It's a liquidation wholesaler company. If you're not familiar with it, check it out. I've done a lot of unboxings that include this company, but I've got other unboxings that I've done from other liquidation companies. I just put one out from a brand new company called Smash Lots, and I've done VIA Trading. I've done liquidation.com, palletbid.com. So check those out, and it gives you kind of a variety of what you can expect to find. So let's see, uninspected returns. This is a Mickey Mouse something. Looks like tablecloth, maybe. So that's obviously not resellable. We've got a Pikachu Pokemon pillow plush head, and it's got a barcode on it. And that's a lot of times how they come in the store. So I'll poly bag that one when I send that one to the Amazon warehouse, but that's definitely in good condition. We've got 5 party hats out of a, looks like I'm supposed to have more than 5. So there's some party hats. So those will probably just get donated. Looks like they're princess party hats. So I may actually be able to take those out, put them on eBay and sell them really well. Ready, Set, Bake kit. It's got various different cookie cutters in it, of various different shapes. So this is a really neat set. That looks like it's brand new, never been opened. So like I said, various conditions. Plan Me calendar. So this is a 2018 calendar. I don't know how well that'll sell, seeing how we are at the end of April, but you know, you never know. It's got some neat paper in it, so maybe somebody will buy it for the scrapbooking. Let me see, we have got Star Wars Stormtrooper mask. And here is the costume that goes with it. So it looks like, here's the mask, and then it's got a hanger. We've got multiples of these. So here's one that's a full set, already attached. Sorry, they're twisted. So here's a Stormtrooper, adult Stormtrooper costume with the mask. And I bet I find the rest of that costume there. So trying not to unplug my microphone. Hold on one sec. I don't want to lose sound. All right. Then I've got, here's the costume part of the mask that I pulled out a minute ago. So I do have a full set there. It just came off the hanger. So here's the costume set for someone obviously bigger than me. So there's that set. So that's 2 so far. And then it looks like I have a third one in here. Comes with the mask too. Another one. So these will sell anytime, because you've got things like, not just Halloween, but you've got things like cosplay that happens all year round, so people can buy them. So if I can't find them on Amazon, I'll list them on eBay, and I'll probably, or even Poshmark, and list them as a cosplay outfit. Oh, I just pulled that one off the hanger, so you can see how it easily comes off the hanger, even inside the box. So there's another one. Good, brand new condition. Okay. Pile of Stormtrooper I got going on. Okay, let's see. I think that's it for Stormtroopers. We've got a little cardboard for the Stormtrooper. All right, let's see. We have, this is a fantastic educational book. It's the Book of Farts, and it has sound effects that aren't working right now. Probably because you have to pull something out or put a battery in, but it is Farts, a Spotter's Guide. So with sound effects, fabulous, very educational. It looks like it's a board book for kids or babies, but all right. Then we've got for crafters and embellishment, you've got bottle caps, some sort of a crafter item here. Then you've got Meyer's Clean Day, multi-surface everyday cleaner, and it does look like that's brand new, so kind of a cleaner spray. It's a random item in this box. All right, index dividers. These are really cute for like, if you're gonna go to school and stuff like that. These are really fun ones. We've got a notebook. I'm gonna have to hide this from my girls because they're gonna wanna keep it. This is actually a planner. So it's got various different things. It looks like it's a school year planner because it's got last year and this year. All right, let's see what else we got. We got cute little ribbons. Here, I'll put that so you can see it. Then I've got some more of these embellishments. Oh, what I did not notice is they're bottle caps, but they have fun little sayings on the inside of them, like sweet, cute. And so it might be that people use them for table decorations or necklace making. Here are retractable highlighters, 3-pack of retractable highlighters. And this kind of stuff sells really well during school supply season. So just be aware of that. You've got some thank you cards. Let's see what else I got. Baby shop cards, a Shopkins birthday banner. Happy birthday for Shopkins. I've got a really neat notebook, 3-ring notebook. Make beautiful things is what it says on the front. I have, let's see, a moleskin cashier's collection. So it's a ruled journal, 3 of them actually, to keep track of, you know, expenses and things like that. Here is a decorative box with a lid. So if you want to use that. Okay, I am too short for this box. All right, here's another, here's a journal and it's labeled bucket list. So that's really clever. So that'd be a fun gift for somebody. It's like if you're having a decade birthday, like a 40th or a 50th or 60th, that'd be a fun, here you go, since you're 30, have a bucket list, you know, make them feel really old. I'm way past 30, by the way, so another gift of thank you cards. So, and I am doing my bucket list right now, running my own business. Here's another one. So these are really fun. I just think they're hysterical. Okay, here's some more thank you cards. These are actually blank ones, so you can write anything you want on them. Those are really fun, cute. Here's tabs, like stick-on tabs to mark a spot that you have on your paperwork. Various different duct tapes I've got in here. Duct tape is like the new fun way to decorate, but here's a bunch of different styles of duct tape. I'm actually going to put it right here in this lid so you can kind of see the different types of styles of decoration of duct tape. And girls in schools, like kind of elementary age, high school age, they use a lot of these different styles. A couple more there. These are Scotch instant handles. So basically you put them on a box or a bag and they can make instant handles on whatever you're carrying. Oh, the wind is going to blow some of my stuff off. Here is stickers and to-do list type of things to help organize. Crafters. All right, here are some washable crayons. Some ink pens, 3-pack of ink pens. And a lot of times, if it's a small item like this, I'll just keep it and use it for the business because, you know, you need ink pens and stuff like that, and that saves you money because you can't get them that cheap. Here's some decorative Easter eggs that you can use for Easter time decorating. Lots of super glue. So this must have been like the craft box along with random stormtroopers. Here's some more of those make your own handles from Scotch. Here's another roll of the decorative duct tape. And believe it or not, that decorative duct tape goes for about $2 or $3 at Walmart. So I think online I could probably even get more than that. All right, here's some more of those bottle cap decorations. Here's another decorative. It's got like, it's got glitter-filled shakers. If you wanted to do a craft project or something, it's got a cactus and a heart and things like that. So those are clever. So check out my eBay or Posh store. They'll be on there. Transfer stickers. And then last but not least, another one of those Scotch make your own instant handles. So really good items, I think. There's really not much that's completely broken or unsellable. There are some things that are probably going to just be low dollar items that I decide to keep for the business. Some of the journals, some of the sticky notes, some of the ink pens and things like that, just because, you know, I know I'll use them. So just because you get a box like that and you get a few of those smaller low dollar items, it's one less thing that you have to buy, and there's no way you can get them as cheap as you can from bulk.com. So check out some of my other videos of different liquidators I check out, but this was an uninspected returns home goods box from bulk.com. And if you need some help on reselling, I've got a reseller program for sale on eBay that should help you when you're going out to retail places and thrift stores and even checking out liquidation. What do I look for when selling on Amazon and eBay and things like that? So I hope this has been helpful. Hope you can kind of see the condition you can get things from bulk.com. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.